Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to check Fico score on Credit Karma. Credit Karma actually doesn't offer Fico scores, but they provide Vantage scores. It is a different credit scoring model developed by a separate company. In order to access and check your Vantage score, the first thing you can do is to open a web browser. Now type in creditkarma.com in the URL box. This will now take you to the official website for Credit Karma. From the main homepage, click on the login button at the top right and then type in your login credentials. You will need to type in your email address and the password associated with your Credit Karma account. Once you type in your correct password, click on Login, and once you log into your account, go to your account's dashboard where you will be able to find your Fico score or Vantage score. That is how you will be able to find your Fico score on Credit Karma. All you need to do is to log into your account and get to the dashboard. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.